You get the case itself, no screen protector is included, which is a little bit disappointing, but this is a two-piece hybrid case, as they call it. So you have this plastic portion here that has the integrated button covers, as well as this TPU portion here. Here is the inside. You can see the pattern that we have there. Looks quite nice. And as you can tell, we do have a cutout for the Apple logo. It's not covered with any sort of clear protective film or anything, but if you happen to have a screen protector lying around that you don't want to, or that you don't mind covering up, you can go ahead and cut a little square out, put it over your Apple logo, and you're good to go. Installation is simple, starting with the TPU case first, like so. And then we take our plastic portion here and just put it over the TPU case itself, and it should snap into place just fine. And everything is good to go. Going over the usual tour, we do have a very minor lay on the table design, so you can put your phone display down onto a table without your display actually touching it. On the left side, we do have volume button covers. They are easy to press, but they are a little mushy. You don't really get a tactile click when pressing them. We do have a silent switch cutout, which is a little bit small, but it should be simple to get to. Nothing at the top, while on the right side we do have a power button cover. Definitely clickier than the volume buttons for some reason, but I'm not sure what's going on with the volume buttons. And on the bottom we have perforated holes for the speaker. We have a cutout for our the lightning port, as well as a cutout for our 3.5mm headset jack and bottom microphone. Here is the back. We have a pill-shaped cutout for the camera, rear-facing microphone, and LED flash. And here again is the Apple logo cutout, which I would definitely recommend covering up. And on the bottom we do have some branding uniquely designed by Rock. In terms of using the case, I really do like the way it feels. It's a very thin case. As you can tell, it adds hardly any bulk to your iPhone 6 Plus. So in that regard, it's very easy to use in your hand. One thing I will say is that the sides, as you might be able to tell on the video, aren't exactly tight around the phone. So you can see here that I can sort of push this section in a little bit. The same thing for the other side. It's just not very tight. It's a pretty loose fitting piece of plastic, I would say. And that for me is a deal breaker. It might not be a deal breaker for you, but because it just doesn't really fit very well, it just doesn't seem complete or right to me. So it's not really something that hits with me very well. But everything else about the case I really do like quite a bit. Like I said, it's a thin case. It has a very simple design to it. On the right side we do have a lanyard opening here, which I just now noticed. And it's just a very simple, straightforward case that I really do like. I just wish that the plastic side here was a little bit tighter around the device. But that's it with the video. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback about this or anything else, feel free to leave those down below in the comments area. Once again, thanks to mobilefun.co.uk for sending this over to me to review. And that's it with the video. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you all very soon.